is an add-on app of a Windows Store app causing you grief? Do you just not want it or wish you could remove that add-on? Well, you are in luck because in this video we will show you an easy way to do just that. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. To access an app add-on, you'll have to go to Settings, then go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, then look for the app with the add-on. I want to remove something from Microsoft Photos. Click on the three dots, go to Advanced Options, then scroll all the way down and look for Add-ons. Click on the add-on that you want to delete and select Uninstall. The add-on should uninstall after that. Restart your system and it should be gone. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.